We see several patient types for earlobe repair. We see a patient with a totally torn earlobe, such as a woman with an earring that pulled through. We're seeing a lot of young men who come in with earlobe gauges, that they want their gauges removed and their earlobes restored back to a more normal contour. And we see the patient with the earlobe or the earring slips through the back of their ear because the hole is a little too big for a standard stud that they want to wear. So all these are great candidates for earlobe repair. A common question after earlobe repair is, can I re-pierce my ear? The earlobe gauge patient who comes in with a hole in their ear from earlobe gauges, clearly they're not going to redo their earlobe gauges, otherwise they wouldn't be fixed. However, the women who are coming in, and men perhaps, with a torn earlobe, they can get re-pierced. I usually recommend about 6 to 8 weeks following, and to have it re-pierced just slightly outside the original scar. Again, the scar is not going to be as strong as normal skin, but 6 to 8 weeks is what my recommendation is. All earlobe repairs can be done under local, except for maybe the most extreme, but the earlobe is very easily anesthetized with local anesthesia. The patient is awake, they're able to look at their results before you move to the next ear. That can be very comforting for a lot of people to make sure the quality of the repair is what they desire. The recovery is typically minimal. Some patients will have a little throbbing in the ear after the local anesthesia wears off. That's usually controlled with Tylenol or Advil. Some patients may require a light narcotic for a day, but most patients do quite well. There's no special dressings for earlobe repair. We often like to put in sutures that we remove. We think that gives the least amount of scar in the long term, and also allows us to check those patients after the procedure was performed to make sure they're healing well.